Kalisa, doesn't she look like the dragon,
Yeah.
the mother of the dragons, but it's just birds?
Yeah.
This is Game of Thrones Part 2.
Game of Thrones just with birds. My little dragon, yeah, my little...
Hi, David.
David, don't fly!
Okay, all I see is your hair. I don't see the bird at all. Okay, I'll just turn. Your Majesty. Game of Thrones. Game of Thrones. Game of birds. Come on, fly, David. Fly, David, fly. We want to release you. But you have to learn how to fly.
Maybe Trixie will give you enough lessons.
How are you not afraid of them? I'm scared like crazy. Whoa. David, don't scare me like that, sweetie.
Come, David. Look at his wingspan. Look at that pretty wingspan.
Okay, so please don't pull it like that. They're very sensitive. Kalisa, don't push them like that. They're very sensitive. I don't want you to break their wings, sweetie. I mean, if